Out of all of the large luxury limousine-like sedans, the latest Lexus LS showcases one of the sharpest and most striking designs, especially in F-Sport trim. We love that Lexus has gone its own way here, while most of the European rivals stick with rather stately, yet conservative themes. At the front is Lexus's dramatic spindle grille, which pretty much takes over the whole front end. Crisp LED headlights and big intakes are supported on either side. Body lines are kept to a minimum, but there are some nice curves around the wheel arches to give it that bolstered look. And then around at the back are some exquisite L-shaped LED taillights with a traditional chrome trim piece connecting in the middle. The F-Sport comes with staggered width 20-inch alloy wheels, finished in tinted chrome. They wear 245 tyres on the front and 275 on the back. Obviously you don't buy a car like this just to look at though, it's all about the interior. And what a place to be! It's like a modern luxury suite, filled with pampering leather and high quality materials, and of course lots and lots of gadgets. We're not a fan of the Lexus touchpad controller for the media interface, but we are a fan of the hydraulic-like knobs and buttons. We're also a huge fan of these F-Sport seats, which are both very supportive and extremely comfortable. If you are planning to spend most of your time as a backseat passenger, we recommend you go for the Sports Luxury package, as it comes with fully reclining rear seats and an extendable leg rest. But even in F-Sport guise, the room and accommodation back here is incredible. There's even a separate console panel to adjust the rear seat heating and the electric rear blind. The boot is huge, as you'd expect, and there's a handy net to keep smaller items secure. Somewhere under all of that plastic covering is a relatively new 3.5 litre twin-turbo V6. The power and torque outputs are very impressive, and given this car weighs over 2.2 tonnes, the performance is great. Although we couldn't get near the official 0 to 100 claim of 5 seconds dead. This is what it goes like.